So I am wearing a 22-inch loose curly lace frontal wig. It has 150 density on the wig itself, and I think that's pretty much everything that I wanted to really share with you guys. I'm really loving this hair. I love the look, and because it's 22-inch, it only reaches about here. It kind of just reaches there. I may even trim like this excess off a little bit. It is so cute. Like, I really love the curls. They're loose curls. You could probably run a brush through this easily when it's wet, and that's exactly what Kel did as well. She finished bleaching the knots and she was washing the bleach out of it. She obviously had to get the hair wet, and just as she was combing through it, it was really easy. The brush was just literally flowing through the hair. So of course that's one thing you want to look for as well. How does the hair work when it's wet? How does the hair still feel when it's been manipulated until it's styled? How does the hair look and how does it feel through that process? And this one held up really well. Even to style, she just put some water and it was pre-plucked. So when a wig is pre-plucked, it means that easier for you to customize when it comes to tweezing any of the hairs out. Some people may choose not to do any further plucking. Some people obviously may choose just to continue customizing it until it's absolutely perfect for them, which means they've taken some of the work away from you, and they've eased you up a little bit, and they said you don't have to pluck as much as you would with a general frontal, because of course all the hair is embedded into the lace, which means it's a nice full thick bed of hair. And with customization, to make it look like your hairline and stuff like that, you do need to then pluck some of those hairs out. So they basically do some of the job for you, and you continue with customization of course if you wish. It had an extra bit of lace all around the front and lace all at the back, and this is lace that obviously we've cut and created the hairline. Now I didn't do any of the customization myself. I went to see hair by Kel, who is based in London, and I asked her to help me out with this wig and put her touch on it, and she did a fab job. I absolutely love it.